Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Lake Elementary School, home of the Dolphins in Oceanside, California. Just got done sharing my heart for a second visit this school year. The topic was positivity, and the sub-theme was be your best self. One of the slides from the presentation on the screen here, do your best, was what I was really trying to reinforce for the principal message today. And here in the MPR, we had the various AM, PM students and staff in attendance, and we really talked about the idea that we are in control of our choices, like they also talk about here at Lake as part of their ROCK acronym. But you know, the idea that we always can have a positive outlook and positive attitude in life if we really want it, right? That the choice is always ours. And it's easy to be positive on days like today. The sun is shining here in Oceanside, a beautiful day, 70 and sunny. Last week, a lot of rain, a lot of clouds, a lot of colder weather. Not so easy to be so optimistic, right? But that can be the same inside our hearts. That there could be things going on in our lives that are very difficult. And we know that those storms will pass, but they are opportunities also to make us stronger if we let them. That's why I wear this shirt for this particular program. The words are upside down on purpose, because if you're looking down or feeling sad, it says keep your head up. Reminder to always think positive no matter what. There's a lot of pin drop moments today, some experiential exercises, some live demonstrations, some positive hip hop, the motivational videos, the picture slides that really reinforce some of the heartfelt anecdotes. You know, all that combined is how I tried to really impress upon their hearts this idea that the opposite of success is not failure. It's quitting or giving up, right? That you can't fail unless you quit. If you keep trying and trying and trying, eventually you can succeed, right? If you fail, it doesn't make you a failure. If you make a mistake, that doesn't make you a mistake. We can always keep pushing, keep persevering, keep giving the effort, which we are in control of. We know that true excellence isn't always about being the best, it's just doing your best, right? You don't always have to get first place, win the race, get 100%. You just have to try your hardest. Each and every moment, each and every day. Just do the best you can, be the best version of yourself. And that also ties into believing in ourselves, right? To talk kindly to our mind, right? Whatever you tell your brain and heart, it's going to believe. We don't want to tell it something negative. We want to tell it something positive. So hopefully we do believe in ourselves, that we are enough, good enough, strong enough, fast enough, smart enough, whatever the enough is. And it also starts with understanding that all of us are true miracles too, right? Like the lines on all of our hands, something I bring up in every presentation because it's so vital to me to really believe this and buy into it. But with the lines on our palms, we all have the letter M. I trace one of mine here. Sometimes a faint line connects it. Have at least one in each hand. That M stands for miracle. Upside down W is for worthy. That we're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love to both give it and receive it. And once we believe this, now we can go out and be that light to someone else's heart, right? Help others believe that too. And so it's always amazing for me to keep returning time after time, to keep building on, sometimes revisiting some of the themes we've done before, but kind of taking it up a level, right? Where they're all in, they're all heart, they're all ears, all eyes, and they really want to keep growing, right? Keep maintaining that positivity that this planet desperately needs. So thanks for being your best self. Thanks for doing your best. I'll see you one more time in May. Until then, have a great next few months. And as always, feel free to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.